Hi everyone, today's pantry meal is going to be a recipe from my blog, and it is how to make your own easy instant oatmeal so that when you've got kids that are trying to get school started and parents are trying to get work started and everybody's online and everyone's trying to get breakfast in the morning, this is something that your kids can easily do for themselves, and you can make multiple flavors. This is 7 cups of quick cut oats, 3 cups of quick cut oats in a high-tech, high-power blender that has been blended up into an oat flour. And you're going to take that and you're going to dump it right in there. Sorry, I'm trying to video with one hand here. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. My salt container is a little... This is actually a 2 teaspoon measure. I don't know if you can even see that. See, isn't that cool? These are called odd size measuring spoons. They're awesome. And then you're going to add 2 cups of brown sugar. Okay, we've got the brown sugar in there. Now all you're going to do is stir that up, and that will make your mix. You can portion it out into individual baggies, about a 1/2 cup of mix per baggie or container. That'll make individual servings, and then you can put flavorings and stuff in there. Or you can do a whole big batch. My page has the information for the big batches. You could do, I've got peanut butter powder. So sometimes we do a couple tablespoons of peanut butter powder, and then they add a little bit of chocolate chips if we put them in the baggies, or if we do a big container, because sometimes we put the mix in like something like this big container, and then they just scoop out a 1/2 cup. And I print out a label that has the instructions here, and I'm not sure whether my other one is still in the pantry or not, because we washed it a little while ago. And then they sprinkle some chocolate chips in there, because I found when we did the mix and you put the chocolate chips in, it falls to the bottom and then nobody gets them. So we leave that out, but we put the peanut butter in. You can do maple brown sugar. This is maple powder. I don't know, this is kind of hard to find. I found this at the Honeyville store before it closed last year. They may still have it online. I don't know. And honestly, this one's a maple sugar. I can't remember where I found this. Either of those will work, a couple tablespoons of that. Or you can do like strawberries and cream. So we do about a cup of those are freeze-dried strawberries, and a couple tablespoons of powdered milk. You could do, instead of the strawberries, you could do peaches, freeze-dried peaches. You can do apples, freeze-dried diced apples. There's lots of different ones. In fact, you can do an apple pie one that is freeze-dried apples with a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. Yummy, yummy. And I will list all of these in the comments so you can see. And then to make it, you just put a 1/2 cup of your mix. I'm gonna get right there. Oh, sorry, it's on the other side of the page. There we go. See, when ready to eat, put a 1/2 cup of the oatmeal mix in a microwave safe bowl. It's 3/4 cup of water, and then on our microwave it's 1.5 minutes pretty much, and then you're done. That's it. That's all there is. This will make about 12 to 14 servings, so depending on how many in your family, that's maybe 1 or 2 breakfasts that you've got. It's very filling. It's a lot more filling than box cereal, and it is super fast to get going in the morning, and like each family member can pick their favorite flavor. We have found that it is a really nice alternative for busy mornings. Again, I'll also put the link to the full recipe from my site in the comments as well.